Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you the basics of how to use the Baofeng UV-5R radio, basically just as a weather radio to have for emergency purposes or whenever the power goes out. It's a great little gadget, it's not too expensive, and it's really not too complicated if that's all you're wanting to use it for. Now when you go start watching videos, it can get a lot more complicated. You'll start getting into things like frequencies and setting channels and repeaters and getting a ham license and all that. We're not doing any of that stuff. We're not broadcasting. All we're going to do is use this little guy as a weather radio. I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to do it very basic. So first, let's turn on our radio.
Frequency mode.
You'll hear that little voice, assuming that you have the voice prompt on. It should be on by default when you get the radio. But you've got two different modes on this. You can flip between the two modes by pressing this button here. You notice mine said frequency mode.
Channel mode.
There's channel mode.
Frequency
There's
mode.
frequency mode.
Channel mode.
We want to make sure
Frequency
we're
mode.
on frequency mode. Now in my case, I'm not hearing anything. Just for basic weather information, there's a little arrow pointing here. Yours might be pointing to the bottom. You have a channel A, which is your top channel. You have a channel B, which is your bottom channel. It doesn't matter which one, but if you wanted to flip, you've got this A-B button. I'm on channel B. I'm on channel A. Whichever one you want to be on, we're going to simply enter the values 162.400. So 162.400. You should start hearing some information. The reason for that is this is the NOAA broadcast, weather station broadcast. So you should always be hearing a transmission of weather information if you're on that frequency. So now we've taken our radio and at least we've got some weather information. You also have a flashlight feature, which is kind of nice on this. If you're out of power and you need a flashlight, there's three buttons on the left-hand side. This bottom button is going to be your flashlight. If I press it once, it turns on my flashlight. If there's an emergency, I'm trying to get somebody's attention, I can press it a second time, and I've got a strobe feature. If I press it a third time, it turns off the flashlight. So pretty basic. We've got this handheld radio. Now we've got some weather information, and we know how to use our flashlight. The other thing we can do is we can use the FM radio feature. The tricky part about this is you can't go to the FM radio while there's a transmission happening. And because we're on the NOAA weather broadcast, there's always going to be a transmission. So what I would recommend doing here is just press the AB button and switch to your other channel. Now that there's nothing broadcasting, I can press this top left button and it takes me to an FM radio. So now I'm in my FM radio mode. I can type any channel.
Gypsy, jazz.
You have to know your local channels, but
rock and roll.
now I've got FM radio. At least I can be listening to the radio. If there's no power or trying to find news, something like that. All you do is just enter your frequencies. So let's go to 97.1.
You're tuned into the great wide open. It's Tuesday morning.
Final song, and we're looking for 10 people to give a gift of $10
And there we go.
a month.
When I want to go back, all I'm going to do is press this again. It takes me back to my frequencies. And again, I'm going to need to press AB to go back to wherever we had the weather station. And that's really it. So now that we've got all that set, I can simply turn off the radio. The next time there's a weather occurrence or I lose power, all I have to do is turn on the radio.
Frequency mode.
Today, sunny.
My frequency is still set. We know how to use the flashlight.
Tonight,
I'm going to press AB so that it's not transmitting. If I go to my FM radio, it remembers the last channel I was on. So I don't even have to go and program a channel. It knows the last FM channel I was on, and it knows the last frequency I had set. I just need to go to that frequency using the AB button.
lows in the upper 60s.
And that's it. Again, that's really basic. This is just for the person who they bought this thing. They thought it would be a cool little weather radio. That's the basics of using it as a weather radio. You want to go check out some other videos out there, you can get a lot more complicated with this radio, but I hope this at least gives you some basic information. Thanks for watching.